Education is for improving color skills. CLICS guest service tool does this by automatically recording the service process itself. That's right, automatically. CLICS guest service tool captures the most ideal educational content, historic records that retain detailed service information for each guest, from hair profiles and consultations to guest formulas. Manage your time efficiently by tapping your apply, processing, and rinse times, all saved in the CLICS app. How wonderful is that? Stylists can instantly recall the last service history and have their color ready in less than 3 minutes without having to roll icky tubes. CLICS automated dispensing can save up to an hour a day. That's amazing. Color design, automatic guest service record keeping, dispensing accuracy, and time savings. It appears CLICS has thought of everything. To get your CLICS digital hair color studio today, visit clics.com.